This is like trying to produce a human. Yes.
A robot is building another robot.
Elon Musk.
Now we're entering a room where you'll see the future, where you'll see how far China has come in humanoid robotics. They're building an army in this room.
So this is the newest robot that they got in EX robot. This is the new one.
That's scary.
Look at the skin. Look at the details. 这个是 Joe， 打个招呼。
Could they pose a threat to humanity one day?
哎，还有个这个吗？哎 ，This is the first EX robot who can walk. Okay. For the future, they will have a full, complete robot humanoid one.
In the future, they'll be used in fields like education and healthcare. They'll become part of society.
In the future, the robots gonna build robots. So they think that the robot in the future, we can use it in education, in services, helping old people in hospitals. So he thinks that we really need robots in the future.
She's looking at me.
It means that in the future, we're gonna have more robots.
More robot, and maybe we're gonna stop this.
Yes. He said like the machine will never get tired from building robots. Think like a factory of building cars.
It never stop.
Never stop. 你们现在有几个机器人？总共
A robot is building another robot. Look how they're assembling the parts. Let's see how AI is being used.
He said, look at all these faces behind you. So which one is his face? Look for it. Come.
This one.
Yes.
I found it.
啊，很像，很像。
Elon Musk.
Yeah.
He knows that his face here. It's made of what? Chocolate?
医用级别的硅胶。
It's made from silicon gel.
Why is it huge?
For them, take it like an art.
Did we just step into a Chinese village?
This is like the traditional Chinese dress.
These robots will also be used for tourism purposes.
啊，吓我一跳 ！You scared me. Put your hand.
What's happening?
The doctor can just read your hand and tell you how your health is, if you're healthy or not.
Doctor.
And here we are with the modern hospital. It's a robot making operation to a human. They cannot put a human there, so they just put a robot. So they hope that in the future, robots gonna have the human in the hospital, in operation, in medicine.
This is how they will assemble humanoid robots.
It can punch?
他说能不能打人？
All of these are things that will help us as humanity.
We are the first foreigner to enter this museum.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
谢谢你，谢谢你，谢谢你。
Okay.
You'll feel like you're in a sci-fi movie. Look, is this a funeral or what?
So this is like the latest skin robot they could do. You can touch the skin. It feels real.
Oh,
Which hand is real and which one is the robot's?
Welcome to the future.
Welcome to the future, my friend.
Okay, this is like trying to produce a human. Yes.
While the US and other global powers were busy waging wars and conflicts here and there, China was quietly shuffling the deck to rewrite the rules of the game, calmly and effectively.
Beethoven. Whoa, whoa.
It attacked her.
Okay.
Britain once ruled the world, then quietly stepped off the stage after 2 world wars. So, is it time for America to quietly step back too?